Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to record a video and pause and resume video with iPhone. So by default, if I open my iPhone camera app and go into video and let's start a video here. As you can see, here is no option to pause the video recording. So by default in iPhone camera app, here is no option to pause video. To record a video with pausing option, we have to use a third-party camera app. To do that, go to your app store and simply search for pause video, and here you will find lots of camera app. You can use any of them to record video with pause option. So I'm going to use this pause cam video recorder camera app. So this is a free app. All you have to need, just install this app on your iPhone. Once the app installed, launch the pause cam video app on your iPhone and tap on enable camera, allow, enable microphone, allow, and here we can see the camera app. Now to start recording, just tap on this record button, and here as you can see my video, again tap on this start recording button, and here we can see I'm recording a video using this app. And to pause the recording, tap on this pause icon, and then you can easily pause your video. To resume, again tap on this icon and your video will be resumed. To stop recording, tap on stop button, tap on done, and you have to watch an ad. So tap on watch, and this is a free app, so you have to watch ads here. Once done, tap on skip video, and here as you can see I'm on my iPhone Photos app, and here is the video I just recorded. To save the video, tap on this share icon, and here select video quality. In free version you can select only low, so I'm tapping on low, and as you can see the video is exporting in my Photos app. Once done, I'm going to my Photos app, and this is how we can record video using the pause option on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.